Hello, welcome back to Code with Jonesy. So today I'm gonna explain you how you can retrieve data using MongoDB and Node.js. So and create a strong backend. So like here we have only two we have two functions. So let me clear this stuff. I don't need it. So we have two function. The first one will help us will enable us to retrieve all the users, to fetch all the users in our database called the user. And then we have a user, and then we have a wait here. We are free. We are finding all contact inside our user model. And the second one is get contact by ID. Means like here we will get a contact like by ID. So if you pass like an ID in a parameter, and the program will be able to provide us the particular contact we fetching. So here like we get an ID which is coming from reg like request, and then the dot params, and then we defined a contact, and then we await because we are using a sync, and then we fetch all user by ID we fetch all contact by ID from the user, and then we pass the ID in a parameter. So yeah, and after that we are checking to know if there's a contact. If not, we will receive this message. Else we are going to receive this one with status 200, means the response has been faked successfully. Yeah, that's how we are doing here. And then here, in case we have an error, we are going to catch it right here. So like we are console log error here, and then we are going to return a message called internal error, internal server error, in case we have an error, right? Yeah, so I have tested like locally. Let me check. So here is like our contact. As you can see, we have our contact. So I've put a lot of contacts here. So as you can see, everything is good. But now I want to try to retrieve a particular contact. Like I want to choose an ID here. I come here and then pass an ID in a parameter. The endpoint is like like user router that get, and then slash, and then ID, and then get by ID, right? So means like we gonna pass like the ID in a parameter, right? So good. And let me come here and then pass my ID here. I have copied like this ID and then paste it in the parameter, and then press enter. We will be able to see an ID and a particular user, a particular contact. That's what I needed to do, and it is very easy for us to do so. Means like you come here, if you find an error, just check your code, just come here in user controller. You create a variable, and which will take like an ID, and then each ID is coming from a regular params. Then create a contact, and then await fetch all users, because you are using a sync. Whenever you are using a sync, just put a wait there, and then check if there's contact. If not, we'll return a message which tells us that there's no any contact inside our database. So in case we have contact in our database, we will return those contacts, like the particular contact, the particular user we want to fetch. And it's very easy. That's how I did. So yeah, there's no other things at all, but that's all I did. And yeah, that's good. So yes, Yeah, that is how I did, and my program is working correctly. But now I want to update my GitHub, so I want to push my code to GitHub to run it. I will do like git the add all git commit message. Oh, sorry. Git commit message fixed it issues, then git that push. Yeah, we should be able to test it in a render. So let us go and look for render, and there we go. I think I already have an account in the project there, because I did it. Okay, the program is being deployed, so let us wait a little bit. Yeah, there we go. So now let us try to check everything. So there we go, we're there. So let us copy and paste this URL here and check if everything is working correctly. So then point is user contact, and then there we go, you can see it as well. So let me test another ID. Come here and then paste it right there, and yeah, there we go, everything is good now. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. So, and yeah, it was I was so glad to demonstrate my skills during this video. See you all, guys.